Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Theta network and what is the next target of Theta network. As you know, it is the start of a new month. That is why we are detect the next target of Theta network friends on the basis of technical analysis friends. So friends, before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. Now let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the current price of Theta network. As you can see here, the current price of Theta network is about 11.13 USD dollar is the currently price of Theta network friends. And if we talk about the price change, so the price change occur in Theta. The last 1 hour chain is positive, last 1 day chain is positive, last 1 week chain is positive friends, and that's mean that Theta network goes better, and I think they can easily hit approximately 12 or 13 USD, or they can easily hit in the new month friends. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart. As you can see here, the previous last 1 month price change is negative 9.87%, but as you can see here, the current situation of Theta network tell us that now the jumping period of Theta network are again start now. So that is why I've said that they can easily hit 1213 USD dollar in this month friends. As you can see here, if we look the previous last 1 month highest price, so the previous highest price is about 15.34 USD dollar, but now in the May they can hit approximately 12 or 13 USD dollars. So what's your opinion about Theta network? Please share in the comment box, and kindly, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.